At 8 years old, I knew I wanted to go to ETSU.
When she was 8 years old, she got sick with septic arthritis. And we brought her to Niswonger's Children's Hospital, which was amazing.
I had been in the hospital for a few days, and they said they got donated a big teddy bear. And then the nurses just brought it into my room. And then every staff member that came in was like, what are you going to name it? I was looking up at the board and checking off names I had seen. And on the bottom it said ETSU. I thought it was a doctor, like Dr. ETSU. So I was like, Mom, I haven't seen Dr. ETSU yet today. And then she started cracking up at me. I just thought it was a real doctor. We decided that had to be the name of my bear. My family told me that it was the closest college to Niswonger's. And I loved Niswonger's. I loved the staff. The child life services girls, they were amazing. Whenever I was 8, I was like, I want to be one of them.
It's very emotional, very emotional. I have to keep it together, but it's just very proud.
I want to research diseases and cures. As I've gotten older and the things I've accomplished, I've realized it's more attainable than I thought, and I'm going to go for it.
Kamara was valedictorian of Union High School, and ETSU's always been her dream school.
I've been on tours here since I was a freshman. It's in a beautiful place with so many resources and activities, and it's close to home. It's got everything that I want to be a part of.